Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a car dealer license in Virginia. So here in your screen, you can see steps in getting your Virginia dealer license. So first and the most important step is you have to identify which type of license you will need. And there are two license types available that you can choose from. You have the independent dealer operator's license and the franchise dealer operator's license. So choose between these two licenses depending on your need. And next, you have to obtain a permanent location for your business. Of course, if you're planning to start a car dealer business, you have to obtain a permanent location for your business. And here you can see the criteria in finding the perfect location for your business. So here you can see that the location should have enough space to display at least 10 vehicles and a lot more. So make sure that you keep this in mind. The next step is you have to get a liability insurance and an auto dealer bond. So for each dealer plate issued, you'll provide proof of insurance. And furthermore, you need to obtain a $50,000 bond. Then the next step is you have to complete a licensing course and pass the test. So, of course, if you're just a new dealer, you need to complete a pre licensing course and pass the test. And you can get the course through Virginia Independent Automobile Dealers Association. It's a 2-day course and it runs every month and it will cost you $485. Then after that, you also need to complete the dealer operator and salesperson's test, which you can take through the DMV for $50. So the next step is you have to gather all the required documents. And here you can see four documents that you need to have with you that include certificate of zoning compliance signed by the local official, criminal history check form, dealer plate application, and application for certificate of qualification or salesperson's license. Lastly, you have to submit the application and pay the fees. So in Virginia, there are multiple types of fees you have to pay with your application. So you can see the list in your screen. And also here, you can see the address in which you can mail your application into. Or you can also just bring all your documents in person to a DMV service center near your location. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!